Hi everyone, I have my Notes FastAPI app here running locally, but to make it portable and easy to deploy anywhere, I need to containerize it using Docker. I'll use Stakpak's autonomous AI agent to help me do that so I won't have to worry about the dependencies and setup. I start with writing a simple prompt to help me dockerize my FastAPI app, and it's going to execute the commands, starting with listing the content of the directory, then listing the content of the requirements file, then listing the content of the main.py file, and each step has its reasoning so you'd understand where it's coming from, and you can reprompt it if you'd like. And now we have the Dockerfile, so let's check it before typing in yes, and it looks right. Now it's time to build the Docker image. We've got an error here, but since it's autonomous, it doesn't stop and it's going to fix this for us. So it just added sudo, which is fine, and now it's building the Docker image. Now if you don't know what Docker is a containerization platform that runs applications in isolated environments called containers, and it uses the Docker images to define the application and its dependencies. And it looks like we've got an error here. Seems like we have an error with FastAPI, so it fixed it by removing the -e flag from the requirements file, and it's going to build the Docker image again. Perfect, we've got the Docker image ready, and now it starts the container. Now it checks the container, it's up and running, and it's even going to verify that the application is accessible, so 200, and it seems like everything's working fine. And mission accomplished, so we're going to get a summary of the steps that has been done, starting with checking the directory, creating the Docker file, fixing the requirements file, building the Docker image, running the container, and steps so you can redo everything again and how you can access your app. So let's access the app now and try it out. Amazing agent, and looks like everything's working. So that's how you can Dockerize and deploy your app while you grab your cup of coffee. It took Stakpak's autonomous AI agent almost 3 minutes to do it on its own. Let me know in the comments what else you would like to containerize and join our community on Discord, X, and TikTok.